Nebraskans recovering from recent flooding could be eligible for special food benefits from the USDA. John Clemens reports.
Residents of Nebraska could receive the benefits if they meet disaster income limits with qualifying disaster-related expenses. Steve Horton runs the USDA's Disaster Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program.
If they have had losses, maybe things like loss of income, damage to their property, relocation expenses, and even in some cases loss of food due to power outages, they can go to a central DSNAP site operated by the state and apply to receive DSNAP benefits.